Right, in this video you are going to learn the concept of percentage. Right, what is percentage and how exactly we are going to represent it, what is rate percent, and as well as the conversion of percentage to decimal and as well as decimal to percentage, and similarly so fraction to percentage and percentage to fraction conversion. All these steps you are going to learn in this particular video. What exactly the percentage? See, percentage is a method of expressing fractions or parts of any quantity into equivalent form. Right, the percentage means what? It's a method. It's a method of expressing fractions or parts of any quantity into equivalent form. So example, the term percent means for every 100. Percent means every 100. So here what happens here in this case, right, a fraction whose denominator is 100 is called percentage and the numerator is called as what? Rate percent. Numerator, see, numerator is called what? Rate percent, correct? Rate percent, and the denominator is called percentage, and it is going to be represented in the symbol by the symbol that is percent. Right, let us take, see here 100% means what? See, suppose if you take 100%, 100% means what? 100 hundredths, correct? 100 hundredths, which is nothing but which is going to be represented as like this, 100 by 100, which is going to be 1. 100 hundredth is called 100%. So if it is 50%, 50 hundredths, 50 hundredths, it is going to be represented 50 by 100, which is going to be 1 by 2. Right, in other words, the rate percent is the quantity for every 100. In simple terms, what exactly it is? It is a rate percent. Rate percent is the quantity. It is the quantity for every 100. Say, take an example. What happens here for 12%? Suppose if you take 12% means what? 12 for every 100. 12 for every 100. Right, it's very simple thing. Okay, let us check out with this. See, suppose Ram spends 25% of income on food. Right, Ram spends 25% of income on food. If his income is 400 rupees, then how much money he has spent on food? That is what we need to calculate. Here it means that Ram is going to spend for every 100 he earns, for every 100 he earns, he is going to spend 25 rupees on food, correct? On food. Suppose he is earning 400. Say, let us check this: 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. Now for every 100, this is 400 rupees he is going to spend, right? Now his income is 400 rupees. He is going to spend 25% on food. See, for every 100 he is going to spend 25 rupees. 25, 25, 25, 25, which is going to be, see, 100 rupees. So 100 rupees is the 25% of 400. That is 400 is his income. Suppose he is spending 15 rupees on traveling, 15%, not 15% on traveling. That means he is spending 15 rupees per 100. That is 15 rupees, 15, 15, 15, which is going to be 60 rupees he is spending on traveling out of 400 rupees. Right, this is how you need to calculate. Let us check out here. So let us convert first of all percentage to decimal conversion. So it's very simple one. So now see here, they have given this is in terms of percentage, we need to convert it into decimal. To convert it into decimal, what you need to do, you are supposed to divide by 100, that's it. See, 125% means 125 divided by 100, which is going to be 1.25, right? So 125% is when you convert it into decimal, this is 1.25. If it is 25%, so 25 divided by 100, which is going to be what? So 0.25, correct? So suppose if it is 5%, 5 by 100, which is going to be 0.05, and so on. You are going to convert percentage to, when you want to convert percentage to decimal, you just divide it by 100. Suppose if you want to convert a decimal into percentage, now let us check out. So decimal to percentage, so you need to go with the reverse order, that's it. You need to multiply it. Say for example, now you want to convert 0.145 into percentage. How you are going to convert? That is 0.145 multiplied by 100. You are going to get 14.5%. So take an example, one more example. Suppose if it is 0.54, then if you want to convert it into percentage, that is 0.54 into 100, which is going to be 54%. If it is 0.3, if you convert it, that is 0.3 into 100, which is going to be 30%. If it is 0.03, if you want to convert, that is 0.03 into 100, which becomes 3%. So now you got to know, when you want to convert percentage to decimal, it's very simple, you just divide by 100. If you want to convert a decimal to percentage, you multiply by 100. Let us go with the next concept, that is percentage to fraction conversion. Now they have given percentage, now I need to convert it into fraction. What you are going to do now? It's very simple one. 45% they have given 45. Here also you are going to divide, but you are not going to keep the number in fraction format. Just you have to keep the number in the fraction format. Let us check out here. 45 by 100. Now let me divide by 5. 5 9s are 5 20s are. Correct. So this is the percentage to fraction conversion. You are not going to divide further, you will keep in the fraction format only. Suppose if it is 125%, that is 125 by 100, which becomes what? So 25, you can divide directly by 25. 25 5s are 25 4s are 5 by 4, right? If it is 33%, what happens? 33 by 100, you can't divide, the answer will be 33 by 100 only. Suppose if you want to convert fraction to percentage, let us go with that. Fraction to percentage, then what we are supposed to do? Let us check out this. 2 by 5 you want to convert it into percentage. What you are going to do? 2 by 5. So 2 by 5, that supposed to multiply, that is into, you are supposed to convert it into percentage format, right? So 2 by 5 into 100, right, which is going to be 5 1s are 5, 20s are 22s are 40, it is 40%. Correct. You clear with this? Fine. See, take anything. See, suppose if you want to convert, right, 1 by 4, then into percentage, this is 1 by 4 into 100. So 4 1s are 4, 25s are 25 1s are 25%. This is how you need to convert percentage to fraction and fraction to percentage. This is fraction to percentage, this is percentage to fraction. Let us go with the next concept, right? So let us understand. See, you need to remember little bit that is the value of 1%, 2%, 3% and all that we have given in a table. You can check it out. Now let us work with this. Express the following percentage as fraction. Now we want to convert this 24% into fraction. What you need to do? So just write 24 that divided by 100. 24 divided by 100, correct? Now simplify it. So this can be simplified by using 4, right? 4 6 4 25. Further division is not possible, so this is the answer for it. 6 by 25 for 24%. For 35%, so 35 by 100. Start dividing by 5. 5 7s 5 20s 7 by 20. So for 7%, this is going to be 7 by 100. I can't divide, so the answer is 7 by 100 only. For 130%, 130 by 100. Now simplify it. 13 by 10, because this 0 will be cancelled. 13 by 10. For 105%, so let us check this. 105 divided by 100, which is going to be, you can divide by 5, right? 5 2s are 5 1s are 5 20s are 21 by 20. This is the way you are supposed to convert percentage to percentage as fraction, right? Let us go with the next problem. Here what happens? Express the following percentages as decimals. We are supposed to express it in terms of decimals, right? They have given in percentage. What we need to do? 5% they have given 5, that divided by 100. That divided by 100, you are going to get what? 0.05. Correct? 71%. 71 by 100, which is going to be how much? 0.71. Correct. Suppose if it is 20%, that is 20 by 100, right? 20 by 100, divide it, so which is going to be 0.2 or 0.20, right? Then 225%, 225 divided by 100, so which is going to be, if you divide, this will become 2.25. So then 110%, 110 divided by 100, which is going to be 11 by 10. Then further if you divide, so this is going to be 11 by 10. Further if you divide, this is going to be 1.1. So now in this particular problem, you understood. See how you are going to convert the percentage as decimals. Fine. Let us go with the one more here. Express the following fraction as rate percent. Right, we are supposed to express it in a rate percent. Rate percent is the numerator of this, right? So let us check out this. 1 by 3. What we need to do? We are supposed to multiply by 100. That is percentage. This is nothing but 100 by 3, which is nothing but 33 1 by 3%. Correct? I kept it in mixed fraction, right? Then this is going to be your answer for 1 by 3. Suppose if it is 4 by 5, now 4 by 5 into 100. Now simplify it. 5 1s are 5 20s are 24s are 80%. Correct. Next is 7 by 10. So what we need to do? 7 by 10, it is in terms of fraction. I need to convert it into rate percent. Multiply by 100. You are going to get, so 10 1s are 10 10s are 10 7s are 70%. Right. 3 by 4, that is 3 by 4 into 100, which is going to be 4 1s are 4, 25s are 25 3s are 75%. Then 11 by 25 into 100, so which is going to be what? 25 1s are 25 4s are 11 4s are 44%. Right. This is what, how you are going to express the fraction as rate percent. Right, let us check out with this. Then the next one is express the following decimals as rate percent. They have given in terms of decimal, we are supposed to express in terms of percentage, right? 0.63, that should be multiplied by 100, that's it, which is going to be 63%, right? 0.9, so now I am going to multiply 0.9 with 100, which is going to be what? 90%, right? If it is 0.03 unto 100, you know how to multiply decimals, so here it is going to be 3%. If it is 4.256 into 100, what happens here? 4.25, so 425.6%, right? If it is 7.5 into 100, which is going to be 750%. Hope you understood. Let us go with this. See, we need to evaluate. See, 30% of 750 I want to find out. So how exactly you can find the 30% of 750? It's very simple one. Suppose if you want to calculate this, the first example, that is 30% of 750. So how exactly you can calculate? It's very simple one. 30 by 100 into 750. Now you can simplify it. So 75 3s are 225. The first one is, the answer is 225. 30% of 750 is 225. Right. Let us check out the second one, that is 80% of 42. 80% of 42, 80 divided by 100, that into 42. So cancel it here. Okay. Then 5s are 2 5s are 2 4s are. Right. Then again you have to go with this. 42 4s are 4, 160, 168, that divided by 5. Now if you simplify it, you are going to get, but see, let me simplify, or you can keep this as an answer, otherwise you can calculate here. 168, that divided by 5. 5 1s are 5 3s are 1, 5 3s are 3.6, 33.6. 33.6 is 80% of 42. Right. Let us check out with the third example here, that is 9% of 11. 9% of 11, that is what how you are going to do? 9 divided by 100 into 11. Correct? Correct. Which is going to be 99 by 100. You can keep like this, or otherwise further you can calculate. Right. Fine. Let us go with the final one, that is, see, what percent of 72 is 54? Right. Here, see, let the percentage be x. How you can calculate? It's very simple. So x is equal to right. Now what you can do? 54 by 72 into 100. You will get the answer. Right. If x percent of y is equal to z, let us check out this. If x percent of y is equal to z, then z is equal to what? X by 100 into y. X by 100 into y. Right. Now here x is equal to, we need to find x, so x is equal to, so 100 into z, that divided by y. This is what I have written here. Now let us simplify here. 54 by 72, let us start dividing by 4. Okay, 4 3s are correct, 1, 4 1s are 4, then 3 remainder, 4 8s are 4 25s are 18 1s are 18 3s are, which is going to be 75. So 72 is 54. What percent of 72 is 54? That is 75%. Right? What percent of 72 is 54? 54 is 75% of 72. Correct? 54 is 75% of 72. Similarly, we can do now here. So this is 50. I will write here that divided by 125, that into 100. Now simplify it. 25 5s are 25 4s are 5 1s are 5 10s are. The answer is 40%, which means 50 is 40% of 125. Let us go with the third one. What percent of 745 is 149? So 149, that divided by 745, that into 100. Now if you simplify it, right, 745, not 54, right, 745. So 149, that divided by 745 into 100. How you are going to do? Let us go with the 5. Right. Let me start dividing 5. 5 1s are, 2 remainder, 5 4s are, 5 4s are, then 24, 4, 5 9s are. Correct? Then 5 20s are. So 149 and 149 will be cancelled. This is 20%. So which means 149 is 20% of 745. Right, now let us check out with the final one, that is 600 is 75. See, 75, that divided by 600 into 100. Right, 2 zeros I will cancel, 3 2s are, 3 15s are, not 3 15s are, 3 25s are. Right, this will become 25 by 2, which is nothing but 12.5. So what we can say now, 75 is 12.5% of 600. Hope you understood. Right? Right. See, main thing is what, when you are going to find the percentage and all, the unit should be same. That is very important thing. Now you got to know how to calculate what percentage, and as well as fraction to decimal, decimal to fraction conversion, right? All those stuffs you got to know now. Let us check out with this. What percent? 5 meters is 5 centimeters, 40 paise of rupees 5, 50 grams of 2 kgs, 15 liters of 15 liters is 300 ml. Here what we need to do, first of all, we are supposed to, let us take first problem. Here you cannot calculate in this way, you need to convert it into same unit. Both quantities must be expressed in the same unit of measurement, then only you can calculate. Now what happens here, 5 meters and 5 centimeters, I need to find what percent 5 meters is 5 centimeters, right? What percent of 5 meters is 5 centimeter. So we need to convert it into centimeter. You know, 1 meter is equal to, 1 meter is equal to how much? 500 100 centimeters. Now by using that, right, what happens here? So 5 centimeters, that divided by 500 into 100. So now if you simplify it, 100 1s are, 100 5s are, so 1%. So what percent of 5 meters is 5 centimeter? That is, 5 centimeter is 1% of 5 meter. 1% of 5 centimeters is 1% of 5 meters. Right. Let us go with the second one. 40 paise of, what percent of 40 paise of rupees 5. What percent is, right, 40 paise of rupees 5. Here you need to convert it into paise. See, you know, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Right, now convert it that 40 paise, that divided by 5 rupees, 5 into 100, that is 500 into 100. Now if you simplify, 100 ones are 100 fives are, right, so 5 ones are 5 eights are, correct. This is going to be 8%. So what you can say now, 40 paise is 8% of rupees 5. 40 paise is 8% of rupees 5. Hope you are understanding. Let us go with the third one. It is given in terms of grams and as well as kgs. That's what you need to do. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Correct. Now calculate here. What happens here? 15 grams, that divided by 2 kgs, that is 2 into 1000, that is 2000 grams into 100. Now simplify it. 2 zeros will cancel. 15 by 20, which is going to be 3s are 4s are, right, which is going to be, see, 0.75%. Let me go with the fourth one, that is liters to milliliter, right. So 1 liter is equal to how much? 1000 liters, 1000 milliliter, ml. Now let us apply that. So we need to calculate 300 ml divided by 15,000 ml into 100. So 2 zeros I will cancel. 15 ones are 15 twos are, which means 2%. Now what you can say now, 300 ml is 2% of 15 liters. Right, this 15 grams of 2 kg, that is how you can say, that is 0.75% of 15 grams is 0.75% of 2 kgs. Hope you understood. Fine. I will solve around 20 to 25 problems which is asked in the previous year papers with a different aspect. Let us you just go through that and as well as try to understand. Fine. Thank you.